Hi. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another vlog. Yay! So today is my 15th day of self-quarantine here in Siargao Island. I haven't been outside of this hotel for 15 days. Not gonna lie, I'm not used to it staying in one place for a very long time. If you're watching this, that you're not used to it as well. We are safer at home. Today is the day we're gonna be at the outside world. We are moving out. And with that being said, I am clearing up all of our stuff, packing, making sure that everything is clean before we leave because I don't want to leave a place messy. Also, if you guys are wondering where we stayed for 2 weeks, it's in Villa Cali. I'm gonna put their booking.com links, Facebook link right below. So anyway, without further ado, let's get packing.
Sakit ni baba.
Here we go. I am about to leave the hotel after 14 days. This is it for me.
Go! Go, 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 go!
It's like a graduation over here.
Crazy.
Wow. Honestly, I've never been outside of this hotel for 14 days. Today is the 15th day actually. After 15 days. I feel like I can see the road again. I haven't seen the road. Wow. Time to say goodbye. Bye, Villa Cali. It's been good. Also, I only have 2 masks left. I really hope that this will be over soon. Okay guys, finally checked in here in our Airbnb. By the way, I have an Airbnb code that I always put on the description box so you guys can get a discount like from $40, I believe so. I haven't done this in a while. I'm not sure if I want to dance. I mean, I am very happy, but then I don't know if it's appropriate with whatever's going on in the world right now. This is our room that we will be staying here for about 2 weeks to 1 month. We have a queen size bed, we have a small open closet, and this is our bathroom. So that's the bathroom. The smell of the bathroom is really lovely as well. Wish you guys can smell it. So yeah, this is our lovely place. Hi, so we've already settled in, changed into my bikini, unpacked some of our stuff. Actually, I was about to edit a vlog, but then I was like, okay, maybe I should just relax and try the swimming pool. One of the things that I can do to distress. Past 2 weeks have been really difficult for me, not gonna lie. I like to stay in one room and isolate myself from people, and I wasn't really ecstatic to mingle with a lot of people. I'm not gonna talk to you guys about my anxiety or depression because as far as I know now, I'm feeling better, a lot better than I was yesterday. So right now, Martin and I will try the dipping pool, see how it is, and then after that, maybe I will edit a vlog for you guys that I can upload tonight.
Hey!
Hello!
Hi!
Ready for a swim?
I am! I'm
Let's
just gonna go get something.
Okay. Hello, I am done swimming and also freshened up, showered. Now I'm gonna clean the place a little bit. Alexa, stop playing. Thank you. Martin, what are you doing?
Right now I'm answering YouTube comments.
Nice.
We moved the router, so we have better signal now.
Duh?
It's like 4 times as good now.
Oh, where's the router?
We're just on the bench,
Oh, okay.
under the bar.
Oh, nice. So someone will be picking up our dirty laundry and we can get it the next day. So that's good. Now I'm just gonna clean a little bit of the place. This is what it looks like, by the way. I'll give you guys a quick villa tour. Kitchen, there's like an island here where you can lounge as well. So the good thing about this villa is that it's gas stove and they have a water dispenser. It means we don't have to buy the 6-7 liters one. This is the sink where we do our dishes. Those are some of the utensils and cutleries. They have a coffee machine, which is nice, and this is the small dipping pool that you've seen earlier. This is Mike and Nelly's room. We have like some chair hammocks. I don't know if we call that chair hammocks. We got 2 of them right there. There's also like a living area or lounging area, and then at the back we got some griller, and they have like 3 trash bags. One is for papers, one is for plastics, and like one is for composite. And right over here is where we hang our wet clothes. That is the quick room tour or villa tour. I don't want to make a separate video because Martin has already done it. You guys have seen it in his vlog yesterday. And hello! I didn't realize that it's almost 8 p.m. I've been binge watching Crash Landing on You and I'm not even sorry about it. I love that series. If you guys haven't seen it, please watch it. I'm also watching Tiger King, by the way, which is also a nice documentary. It's really bizarre but very interesting. I'm almost done watching Crash Landing on You, and if you guys have any suggestions of which series I should watch next, or any documentaries, films that you think that I would be interested to watch, please comment below. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been publishing vlogs in between 7 to 10 p.m. I guess I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, stay at home as much as you can, don't go out unless you have to buy supplies, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye. Mwah.